Hi everyone, today we are going to learn how to write a fraction in simplest form. The question says, how can you write a fraction as an equivalent fraction in simplest form? In the last chapter or the lesson, we learned how to multiply. And in this one, I forgot to tell you what lesson we are on. We're on lesson 6.3, and it is on page 235 in your colored math book. This time, we're going to make the numbers smaller. Last time, we were making the numbers bigger. This time, we're going to make the numbers smaller. We're making it simplest form. We're trying to take it down to the lowest form you can make it. All right. So the question says, Vicky brought an ice cream cake cut into 6 equal pieces. So they're showing you the ice cream cake here, 6 equal pieces. Vicky, Margot, Elena, and Elena each took 2 pieces of cake home. So they each took 2 pieces, 2 pieces, 2 pieces, 2 pieces. Vicky says she and each of her friends took 1/3 of the cake home. Is Vicky correct? Okay, so we need to know if they took 1/3 of the cake home. Is she correct? Because that's what she's saying. It's cut into 6, and each person took 2 pieces home, and it's cut into 6 equal pieces. All right. So step 1, shade blue for Vicky. So blue for Vicky. Blue for Vicky. So this was Vicky. All right. 1, 2. All right. Next one. That was our blue for Vicky. Now we have red for Margot. 1 piece. 2 pieces. All right. And yellow for Elena. I know, my coloring is so beautiful. All right. All right, so we shaded blue for Vicky, red for Margot, and yellow for Elena. We're good so far, yes? Each person took care of all our cake. We did exactly what it said. All right, let's go to the next part. The cake is divided into blank equal size pieces. How many equal size pieces is it divided into? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is divided into 6 equal size pieces. The 3 colors on the model show how to combine 6 size pieces to make 3 equal third size pieces. So this is an equal size piece right here, the red. This is the equal size piece, the blue. And this is the equal size piece right here, the yellow. So there's only 3 if you looked at it like that. So Vicky is correct. Vicky, Margot, and Elena each took 1/3 of cake home. So if you broke it up like this, there was 1/3. The red over here is 1/3. And the yellow is 1/3. All right, let's go to the next part. Let's write that first, sorry. So let's write, there was 2 pieces each one of them took. So 2 6 is equal to 1/3. All right. Let's go to the next page. Use bottles to write equivalent fraction in simplest form. Remember, simplest form is the way you can just break it down to the lowest that you can get it, the lowest fraction you can get. All right. So what we're going to do is we're looking at the model right here. Here was 2 6, and they also have 2 6. Oh, I'm sorry. This is 2 8. 2 8 and 2 8. They're showing you the model for that. So 2 8, but 2 8 is also equal to, if you break this into fourths, it's also equal to 1/4. 2 8 is equal to 1/4. Remember, when we were doing the last lesson, we were multiplying, and whatever you did to the top, you had to do to the bottom, or whatever you do to the bottom, you have to do to the top. Well, we're doing the same thing here, except you're trying to make your fraction in simplest forms, so you're dividing here. Dividing. So whatever you divide the top by, you have to divide the bottom by, or whatever you divide the bottom by, you have to divide the top by. The same number needs to go right here. So 2 divided by 2 equals 1. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. So 2 8 equals 1/4. All right, let's try the next one. Here there is 10 total boxes, and 6 of them are shaded in. So we have 6 tenths right here. This equals this, just like this equaled that, and this will equal this. So this right here is going to equal that right there. So now they're taking this dotted line and they're going to get rid of it. So 6/10 equals something fifths. 1, 2, 3. 3/5. 1, 2, 3 out of 5 boxes are shaded in. So what are they dividing by? 10 divided by 5. 10 divided by what equals 5? 10 divided by 2, right? 10 divided by 2 equals 5. So whatever you do the bottom, you have to do the top. So we divide it by 2. So you're going to have to divide by 2 up here. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. And you can always check that by doing the inverse operation. 3 times 2 equals 6. 5 times 2 equals 10. All right, I hope you learned a lot. See you guys in class. Bye, everyone.